App Flow. Title: Cursor AI Agent Complete Beginner Guide. Hook. Have you ever wished you could build an entire application just by describing what you want? Imagine an AI that understands your complete project, writes production-ready code, fixes bugs, creates APIs, updates multiple files at once, and even explains everything it does. That's exactly what Cursor AI can do. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor AI Agent from scratch. Let's begin. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to AppFlow. If you're a developer, software engineer, student, or someone learning AI-powered coding, this video is for you. Today we'll explore Cursor AI, one of the most powerful AI coding editors available. We'll cover installation, interface, AI agent, models, settings, API keys, AI tools, building code using AI. Let's get started. What is Cursor AI? Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor built on Visual Studio Code. So if you've already used VS Code, you'll immediately feel comfortable. But Cursor goes much further. Instead of simply generating snippets, Cursor understands your complete project. It can read multiple files, understand project architecture, generate new features, fix bugs, refactor code, create documentation, generate tests, explain existing code. Think of it as having an experienced senior developer working beside you. Interface tour. Let's quickly explore the interface. On the left side you'll find Explorer for project files, Search, Source Control for Git, Run and Debug, Extensions, and the most important part, Cursor Chat and AI Agent. In the center is your editor. At the bottom is the integrated terminal where AI can even help execute commands. Everything feels familiar because Cursor is based on VS Code. Settings and models. Now open Settings. Here you can configure theme, font, auto-save, AI preferences, privacy, keyboard shortcuts. Now let's look at AI models. Cursor supports several powerful models. Examples include GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek and other supported providers. Each model has different strengths. Claude is excellent for long reasoning. GPT performs extremely well for coding and debugging. Gemini is fast for many development tasks. Choose the model based on your workflow. Cursor AI Agent. Now comes the most powerful feature. Cursor AI Agent. Unlike normal AI chatbots, the agent can understand your entire workspace. Instead of saying, write a login page, you can simply ask, build a complete authentication system with login, registration, validation, API integration, responsive UI, and proper folder structure. The agent will create files, modify existing files, update imports, fix errors, generate components, write backend code, and explain every change. This makes Cursor incredibly powerful for real-world software development. AI tools. Cursor provides many AI tools. Chat, inline edit, code generation, bug fixing, explain code, refactoring, test generation, documentation, commit message generation, terminal assistance. Instead of switching between multiple AI websites, everything happens directly inside your editor, saving a huge amount of development time. Live example. Let's see a quick example. I'll ask Cursor, create a beautiful React login page using Tailwind CSS with validation and responsive design. Watch what happens. The AI creates components, writes CSS, updates imports, fixes errors, and builds the complete page, all within seconds. This is why developers are rapidly adopting Cursor AI. Conclusion. That's the basic overview of Cursor AI Agent. In the next videos we'll go much deeper. We'll build complete production-grade applications using Cursor AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to AppFlow, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming AI development series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Interface tour. Let's quickly explore the interface. On the left side you'll find Explorer for project files, Search, Source Control for Git, Run and Debug, Extensions, and the most important part, Cursor Chat and AI Agent. In the center is your editor. At the bottom is the integrated terminal where AI can even help execute commands. Everything feels familiar because Cursor is based on VS Code. Settings and models. Now open Settings. Here you can configure theme, font, auto-save, AI preferences, privacy, keyboard shortcuts. Now let's look at AI model.